Good morning class, I hope you are good or fine. Today our topic is what comes before. Class 2, subject maths. Open your book, page number 2. Okay, already you learned counting. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What comes before 2? Tell me student. 1. Good. What comes before 4? 3. Good. What comes before 6? 5. Tell me student. What comes before 8? 7. What comes before 10? 9. The number that come before 12, before 11, 10 before 9, 14 before 13, 54 before 53. What comes before 17? 16. I know student you are understand. Before mean pehle. Activity number 1. What comes before 29? 28. What comes before 38? 37. Good. Tell me student, what comes before 41? 40. What comes before 54? 53. Good. And last one. What comes before 62? 61. Home activity. Write the number that comes before page number 2, question number A in copies. Thank you student. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe.